Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking into Microsoft Excel, and we're going to be figuring out how we can just relate two variables and we can figure out a relationship between them and how we can find it. It's very simple, and as you all know, like Microsoft Excel is very well known in very major industries, so it is a very well used feature that you can utilize and you can figure out ways to correlate your data with another data. And it's a very useful tool and very big firms use it for their development. So I'm just gonna jump right in. I have my Microsoft Excel here and I have some random data that I generated using the random function here. Okay, so I have number of employees of a company, and I have all these number of employees working. Like, let's suppose the first day 48 were working, then 50, then 15, and that's how it's relating to this. When 48 were working, the time spent on doing a specific job was 8 hours, then 2 hours, then 10 hours, then 4 hours, and yeah, it goes down to 12 hours max. Okay, so as you can see, I have this random data. Now I want to know, like, how much does one employer work, like, or maybe how much employers can do the job in 1 hour. So that is the thing that they call correlation, and I want to find out the relation between these two groups of data, or these two range of data. So how do you do it? You're gonna go to data here, and if you don't have data analysis, it's pretty simple to find out. You're gonna go to file, you're gonna go to more, you're gonna go to options, add-ins, and here you have to just click on it and you're gonna click OK. And after that, you're gonna have your data analysis section here in the analysis tab, and you're gonna click on it. Now you have many things that you can do with the data. I want to find the correlation. Okay, so I'm gonna just choose the correlation, or you can just press C on your keyboard and it's gonna pop up, and you're gonna click OK. Now it's asking to choose the data, and I'm gonna choose this entire thing here. There you go. And as you can see, I also chose the labels, headings. So I'm gonna just check this box. I'm gonna click OK here, and there you go. This is the correlation that it found. Like, one employer can do the job in 0.051205 hours. So this is the relation, and you can use it to find other relations as well in your desired data. I hope this video helps, and if it does, do a like, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel.